Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Biology HL. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus. Knowing the core, all, and option topics helps you prioritize. Next, create a realistic study schedule. Consistency is key, so dedicate specific times each week. Finally, integrate past papers early. They are invaluable for understanding question styles and applying your knowledge effectively. This foundational approach will set you up for success. To truly master the content, start by creating comprehensive notes and flashcards. Don't just copy, rephrase information in your own words. Then, actively test yourself using these resources. Spaced repetition and self-quizzing are powerful tools for long-term retention. Remember, IB Biology emphasizes understanding complex biological processes and their interconnections, not just rote memorization of facts. Aim for deep comprehension. When preparing for exams, dedicate significant time to data analysis and experimental design questions. These often carry substantial marks. Thoroughly understand command terms like explain, evaluate, or discuss to ensure your answers meet the specific requirements. Practice full-length papers under timed conditions to improve your time management. This will help you allocate appropriate time to each section and avoid rushing. As you approach your exams, consider forming study groups to discuss challenging concepts and clarify doubts with peers. Remember the importance of a balanced lifestyle. Prioritize adequate sleep and healthy eating to maintain focus and reduce stress. A well-rested mind performs better. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.